What do you want me to do? Like a scorpion?
Yeah, I'm telling you, man. The scorpion will go down more. Alright, got your back. Do it.
Are you ready? What about bite the scorpion's head off?
Bite the fucking head off, mate.
Right, ready?
Oh.
Do it.
Alright, cool. Here we go. Stupid as fuck. This scorpion's looked at me.
Do it. Taste the alcohol in there, can't you?